Welcome to this course on standard operating procedures for cleaning and equipment management, as well as how to assure food safety and equipment maintenance. When it comes to clean workstations and equipment, the stakes are quite high, particularly in restaurants, fast food chains, and food retail establishments where cleaning standard operating procedures and equipment management impact food safety and staff safety. The goal of this training is to help you, as an employer or business owner, develop efficient cleaning SOPs and equipment management systems for the food and beverage industry. The spread of disease is reduced thanks to constant monitoring and proper cleaning in the kitchen. This is a synopsis of the training. Module 1 will focus on the franchise's needs for contracted maintenance support. It is essential that all machinery be frequently serviced and kept in perfect condition. The ideal way to organize your restaurant's cleaning supplies is covered in Module 2, Cleaning Materials and Their Management. Module 3 focuses on the franchise's public-facing space and its cleaning and maintenance needs. The care and upkeep of your fridge is the subject of the fourth lesson. Module 5 will discuss the many responsibilities of a kitchen manager beyond staff supervision and food ordering. Cleaning the appliances and counters in a commercial kitchen every day is an essential part of maintaining the kitchen's equipment, systems, and services. Module 6 will go on from Module 5's discussion of several methods for disinfecting and sanitizing kitchen appliances. Stainless steel is a popular material for the construction of kitchen appliances and commercial ovens. Module 7 focuses on disinfecting potentially infectious environments. The condition of the toilets is an important indication of the general cleanliness of the restaurant. In order to take part, you must first register as a student. We're eagerly awaiting your sign-up.